Hello everyone, myself charvi Handa. I am student of class 4. My school name is Red Rose Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to make a planter with the help of newspaper. So let's get started. Take a 1/4 part of newspaper. Fold it like this. Now take any waste bottle like this. Wrap the paper on it. Apply some Fevicol here. Now fold the newspaper inside the bottle. Press it with the finger. Now remove the bottle slowly. Like this. See? Now paste the paper from back side. I am applying the Fevicol paste to paste it. Like this. Now put some soil in it. Now put some garden soil in it. Now add any seeds. Now add some water. Now my planter is ready. See? We can color it like this. So plant trees safe environment.